I would like to recognize all of our veterans and active military personnel in attendance today.
Today at Laurel Ridge, we celebrated our second annual Veterans Day ceremony. We started this last year with really a hope for our students to have some voice in the process of Veterans Day and understanding the meaning of Veterans Day and how it really impacts us individually and as a country. We have a large military contingency in our school, and so we also want to honor our families that are in the military.
I'm standing here before you today having survived 2 combat tours in Iraq, and I'm proud to be a veteran in the greatest country in the world. Those who I served with will always be my brothers and sisters. And no different than how teachers had an impact on my life and my success, I couldn't have accomplished the missions that I was entrusted with executing without the help of my fellow soldiers. So it wasn't a general, but Martin Luther King who said, "Not everybody can be famous, but everybody can be great, because greatness is determined by service." So if you want to be great, find a way to serve. And if you remember nothing else today, when you succeed, and I know everyone here is going to be a superstar, even if you get the credit, remember that you never did it alone.
Many of our students have never experienced a military lifestyle, while some have not. And to really gain an understanding of what that military life is about and how it impacts us as individuals and as a country is very important for our students.
When we salute that flag, we talk about America being indivisible. Remember the pledge we just took?
Yep.
One country, indivisible. Not divisible, indivisible. We're all one, no matter where we came from. So today on Veterans Day, Laurel Ridge is showing the way in terms of how to honor our veterans and our country and how to do it so well.